Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 11. Which expression is equivalent to q squared minus 16? All right, so hopefully when you look at this, you automatically think these are two perfect squares. This is a difference of squares. If you remember, difference of squares is one way of factoring. All right, so if you have a perfect square minus a perfect square, which is what we have here, then that factors into two binomials, a plus b times a minus b. All right, and a couple examples are listed. But if we know that this is something squared, what squared gives me q squared? Q times q. What squared gives me 16? 4 times 4. So we know the answer is going to be C. But what happens to those middle terms? So if you've got minus and plus, your middle terms cancel out. So for number 11, all you have to do is factor. This is a big standard that you will see, especially on the EOC and ACT, and you will see this in every math class beyond this class. So this is important to learn and recognize. So number 11 is C.